to order Grabfood in Malaysia. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to order Grabfood in Malaysia. First, go to your Grabfood app. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Here, tap on this banner on the bottom which shows your location. Now select your country as Malaysia. After that, you need to select your city. Now, you can see different restaurants offering food in your selected location. Select a restaurant of your choice. Then select a food item. Here you'll find the options to customize your meal. Once you're done, tap on Add to Basket. Then you need to go to your basket. Make sure you have entered correct delivery and address details. After selecting a payment method, tap on Place Order. Your order will be placed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.